Let's see how to create signature in Hostinger email. From the Hostinger Edge panel, click on emails and here you will see the emails with your domains. Just click on manage. Scroll down to mailboxes. Click on this arrow next to your email. And right now we are in the email inbox. So we are going to click on settings and then select identities from here. Select your email and here you will see the signature option. If you have already created the signature, then you can add it here. But if you want to create a signature for yourself for free, then go to Google and search for email signature. Click on this second link, email signature template generator from HubSpot. Click on create my signature. Now here we need to add our details like our name, company name, like our social addresses and our website address, etc. So we need to add all the details here. After adding all the details, just click on create signature. So as you can see that our signature is now created. So we are going to click on copy signature source code. Go back to Hostinger email. Select HTML from here. After that, click on this 3 dots button and select source code from here. So we are going to paste our source code here that we have copied from HubSpot. Once we are done, we are going to click on save. And as you can see that our signature is now added. So we are going to remove this credit from here. And once we are done, we are going to click on save. So this is how you can add email signature in Hostinger. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.